Make her trot. Get quick to her, Johnny. Quicker. Woo! Ben, okay, go the other way. Let's see. Woo! Hey, good one. Oh, isn't that nice? You're gonna win the Pee Wee Raining, I think. I think so too.
Oopsie. I put the jar
You want me to make her trot?
there.
No, he'll get her.
There he goes.
Good job.
Good riding, Johnny.
I want my shoes right now.
What?
I want to get off right now. I want on.
Oh, you better show them a little bit more so they got it on video. Go the other way. She trots better the other way.
Get going.
Make a big circle, Johnny.
Woo.
Big circle.
Please move for a second.
Ooh, you were almost loping.
Let's see you spin her that way.
Woo! Good job, John. Isn't that good?
Let's see you spin, bud. Stop.
Woo! Yeah. Kick with your left foot. Are you a monkey?
No. I do this, then I turn around, I put my other foot right there.
Okay, I thought you get off by yourself. Don't you? Don't you drive over beside the thing and get off?
I'm next.
Oh.
No,
Yeah.
I'm next, Georgie.
Okay, Johnny. You gotta push her over with that foot. She moves way over. There we go.
George, Michael.